Look, Jonathan.
Yes.
No, this one. Jonathan, look. One at a time. One at a time. Jonathan, come on, one at a time.
No, we got more. We got two more.
I don't know what I did with my phone.
Yes, you could say something like
Do you see my phone?
oh.
Come on, you almost got it open. You almost got it open.
Where's my phone?
Jonathan, so easily distracted. Look.
Amber, you can't even ring my phone, can you?
No.
Melanie?
Look, Jonathan.
You don't have your phone down here to ring now? Would you? Melanie, you don't have your phone on you?
No,
Look.
I have no idea.
Well, run upstairs.
What is it?
Why don't you take a picture on your phone? It don't work?
Yes, it does.
What about
So easily distracted.
you can take your picture and put it on mine picture.
Yeah.
No, you can't, and my stuff will send to her phone. You can-
I've sent stuff to her phone before.
Oh, well. Probably I should.
Oh, he's worried about his little animal.
Sit down in bed with what Santa Claus gave you.
Let me help you. Here he is, baby. Here he is.
Come on, Jonathan. You gotta finish opening this.
See, I'm worried about my little bear and having to sip of soda.
Oh. Come here. Look, you still got paper on it.
This.
You still got paper on it.
See, I don't care. I don't come bring it soda.